Penjualan barangan bebas cukai akan bermula selepas hidangan makan tengah hari. Dirujuk instalasi station in-flight shopping untuk membuat pilihan. Kepada ahli Airlines, sila perhatikan kad klien anda sewaktu membuat pembayaran. Anda akan berdua matakan caran bagi setiap bisnes yang dibelanjakan. Selamat berbelanja. Sementara itu, nikmatilah penerbangan kami. Terima kasih. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the seatbelt sign has been switched off. For your safety, please ensure your seatbelt is fastened and visible to our crew. You may use your electronic devices and mobile phones that have been switched to flight mode. A lunch will be served shortly, and refreshment will be served approximately 2 hours before our arrival. Telephone service and in-flight statement are available through your handset. Please refer to the entertainment guide inside Going Places magazine. Your in-flight shopping will commence shortly after your lunch service. Please browse through our Temptations in-flight shopping magazine and you'll find a wide selection of products. We will be delighted to help you make your choice. For Irish members, present your membership card when making a purchase, and you will earn 2 Irish pounds for every ringgit spent. Happy shopping! In the meantime, sit back, relax and enjoy our flight. Thank you.